What's going on, Team Lethal fans? Mustang King in a house. I'm very excited today. We're going Bronco crazy with the all-new AWE Catback exhaust system for the 21 and up Bronco. Now, AWE systems will fit both your 2.3 and 2.7 liter Broncos in 2 and 4-door configurations. This is a modular system and is available as a dual tip as well as a single tip setup. Now, for the Lethal Performance Bronco, we chose to go with the dual exit system. This is a full catback setup, unlike an axleback, which replaces just the muffler in the rear. This is going to replace all the factory piping from your mid-pipe all the way back. AWE's exhaust systems are made right here in the United States using high-quality T304 stainless steel. This is actually 3-inch mandrel bent tubing. All of the welds here look great, and they also offer a lifetime warranty on their products, which is really nice. So, another couple of features that I want to mention here about this system. One really neat feature for you Bronco guys who like to do off-roading is their bash guard. This piece right here is included in all of their catback systems. It's actually going to replace the rear section that goes after the axle. So this piece is going to bolt up to the lead pipe right here, and you've got this stainless 0.125-inch ring right here welded on it. So you guys just want to go off-roading, do some rock crawling, you're going to remove this back section. This is going to go right on using the clamps that they provide, and it's going to prevent you from damaging your tips or the rear section of your catback if you're doing some gnarly off-roading, which is pretty awesome. Again, it's included in all of AWE catback systems for your Bronco. Really great feature, guys. Good stuff. In addition to the included bash guard pipe, which is pretty neat, they also include all of the clamps. You've got a bracket as well as all of the hardware. And they include this awesome looking and tasting blow pop. Now, all of AWE's catback systems for the new Bronco are listed up on our website and live, ready to go. They're also in stock and ready to ship. If you guys have any questions, feel free to reach out to us at 561-753-8105 or support@lethalperformance.com. That's it for the AWE exhaust. Let's go and install this thing and hear how it sounds. Woo! What's up, Team Lethal fans and all those Bronco owners out there? Today is a very exciting day for us. We're going to be installing the all-new AWE Catback exhaust on our Bronco right behind me here. This is the dual tip setup. Really nice stuff from AWE. Thank you guys for sending that stuff out to us. We really appreciate it. So we're going to do a step-by-step installation for you guys, show you how it's done, as well as show you where that bash guard that's included in every kit goes. So let's do this install. So as you can see, the rear bumper to our Bronco is already removed. Why? Well, we need to remove the bumper the last time to install the Roush axleback because there's some bolts that you need to access through these two holes right here. So TJ at WBA Performance has already removed the bumper for us. It was actually a lot easier just to swing open the tailgate than to remove the rear tire. Thanks for the tips, guys. So we're going to go ahead from here and then do the next step. So the AWE system is actually a catback, not an axleback, which is just a muffler replacement. So we do have the Roush axleback on here right now. We're going to start from the back, remove that Roush axleback, and then start moving forward to remove the other factory piping that goes behind the mid-pipe. That way we can install the full catback. This is pretty cool though, because this is the first actual catback that we have on the vehicle. So the mufflers can be placed in the middle of the vehicle and then come back, split to the dual exit setup, whereas we've just only run a single tip axleback so far. So I'm excited to hear how this thing sounds, man. I'm looking forward to it. Dual tip.
Goes. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
There's a factory exhaust off the vehicle. Let's start with the AWE stuff. 3-inch stainless steel, baby. Woo! All right, the first section of the AWE catback exhaust that we're installing is going to be the portion with the muffler on it. You can see here we're utilizing the factory bolts with this 2-bolt flange as well as this factory hanger location. It's going to slide right in. We've got it supported, and then we're going to be installing the next piece, which is the shortest piece of tubing supplied along with their clamp. gonna slide right on there, keep everything loose. And the next section, which goes over the axle and onto the factory hanger, will be this one. Slide it into the hanger, just like this. It's got some lube up on there. Thanks, TJ, for the lube. Always supplying the lube. Good job there. Okay, there you go. Here we have it. So here we go on dual exhaust systems. They include these lock collar clamps. You're gonna slide it over the hanger bar right there, one of them. Then we're gonna insert this through the hanger and then put the other clamp on the opposite side and lock them in with the supplied Allen key. Just like that. And this will keep everything in place. There we go. There you go. That ain't going anywhere. We're good. Bash guard time. For all you guys out there going climbing, off-roading, that don't want to bang up those nice looking AWE tips, we're going to be installing the bash guard, which comes included in every Bronco kit from these guys, which is an awesome feature. So this is going to install right back here. Instead of putting that split set up here with the rear tips, we're going to be sliding this on here to show you guys where it goes. And that will use a clamp, and it's going to be installed on the factory hanger right here. So this way you've got no tips or low-lying exhaust back here when you're off-roading. You don't want to have to buy another exhaust system. Just install this. It's included in the kit. Boom. So here's the bracket that's supplied with the kit, and normally it would go over the factory bracket, and they provide these nuts which will screw onto the end of the bolts coming out of the factory bracket. However, we've already modified this vehicle, removed the factory bracket, so we're using some nuts and bolts. We're going to make it work, but this bracket's going to go right here where your factory one will go over the factory bracket using the nuts provided, tighten them up, and the hanger will be located right here. All right.
There we go.
Nice. In.
Oh, I always need Jared.
We're in. Pop it into the hanger. Got it. Cool. $16mm, tighten up the clamps up here. Doing a wonderful job there, TJ. Keep up the good work, man.
All right.
Move this way. Okay, hold on. Am I centered or no? Okay, good. No, whoa, whoa. Right there. Bring it on in, bring it on in. I want to hear this mid-muffler setup. I've done a couple exhausts already, and they've all sounded good so far, so I'm pretty confident that the AWE is going to sound really good as well. Yeah. Nice. Diamond black coated tips. Note that the tips are fully adjustable. I'm going to go with the flush to bumper look, where this you can slide out if you like it past the bumper, which is pretty neat, but they are adjustable, so you guys can put the tips where you'd like them. Available in diamond black or chrome silver. These are 4.5-inch slash cut tips, dual wall, whereas the single tip setup is actually a 5-inch tip, straight cut dual walled tip. There you have it, guys. It's installed on our Bronco, the all-new AWE Catback exhaust system, 2021 and up Bronco, dual tip. Let's have a listen. Nice. Ooh, yeah. Here we go, first drive. Again, I know I sound like a broken record, but the Bronco from the factory, you don't hear anything but the engine. With these aftermarket exhausts, AWE, you can hear it now. You hear the exhaust. It sounds good. Real nice. Smooth. Yeah, you guys will definitely hear a lot better once we get some outside video clips of revs and a takeoff, but I like it. It sounds really good. Definitely an improvement over stock, for sure. And those dual black tips look good. Nice. Let's do some revs, and we'll do a pull away and give these guys what they want. They want to hear it. Sounds awesome, man. Good job, Jesse and the AWE team, man. This is killer, bro. Killer. I like it a lot. Good job, man.